Did you know that there is one nutritional product that can fill all of your body's nutritional gaps? Or that this one product is so delicious that even children love to enjoy it every day? Well, the results are in, and Trevo is the one. You see, the health and wellness experts at Trevo invested over 4.5 years in a worldwide quest to unlock nature's most prized nutraceutical secrets. Then, by applying the knowledge gained during this exhaustive research, they began the painstaking process of development, followed by nearly 2 years of field testing. The result of this research, development, and testing is an entirely new category of supernutrition. This just released, one-of-a-kind blend of the very finest ingredients that nature has to offer, gathered from the 4 corners of the globe and masterfully combined, actually accomplishes what no other nutritional product has ever done before: the creation of pure, positive wellness on a cellular level. Trevo is unlike any other nutritional supplement found in today's market. In fact, this formula is so cutting edge, so amazingly effective, that it will take years for other companies to catch up with our technology. This remarkable formula provides you and your family with a quick, delicious, easy way to restore, renew, and revive your bodies with 174 powerful vegetarian ingredients. Trevo actively supports vibrant good health, enhanced mental focus, increased energy, cardiovascular health, immune system health, digestive system health, and healthy cholesterol levels. It also helps your body maintain proper pH, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. 2 other health benefits of Trevo are really creating excitement around the globe. One is the way its nutrient-dense formula supports weight management, and the other is its phenomenal antioxidant content. This antioxidant content, which is significantly higher than the majority of other strictly antioxidant-type products, provides powerful anti-aging benefits while also bolstering your immune system. We believe so much in Trevo's power of wellness that we back it with our 90-day Trevolution Challenge. The fact is that Trevo is a product envisioned by a passion and created with a purpose. Our mission, our goal, is for 1 million people around the globe to experience abundant health through Trevo, and we invite you to join us on this history-making journey. To learn more, simply complete the 3 quick fields you see on the right of the screen. After all, you deserve the very best health available. You deserve the power of wellness.